Hey guys, going to give you the official Skip's tip of the day. This is the pro installation tip. I can tell you from installing the Barron faux wood beams many times, there are little things you could do to make the job a lot easier for you. So this is a spring tension pole. I just walked into Home Depot today, bought this set. This particular one is made by Easy Up. I also have other ones that are zip pole or zip wall. Whichever one you use, you can order them online, but you can find them right in Depot or any hardware store. Basically, it's a spring-loaded tension pole that is adjustable in height. And what's really nice about this is that as you're installing your beam, you can go ahead and put that up against the beam, and the spring tension holds the beam up for you while you're putting in your fasteners. Especially in a case like this, we had very long sections of beam. They're 18 feet long, and the foam was a little bit flexible. So you want to make sure you have it securely fastened to the ceiling and pushing it all the way up before you put in your fasteners. So get yourself a set of these easy poles. It's going to make your job a lot easier.